Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make something glamorous for you. I'm gonna make like a beautiful centerpiece, candle holders. You can use it for either or. And to start off, I have this beautiful bowl right here. It's a candle holder. It's a multi-purpose bowl. You can get the smaller ones from the Dollar Tree, but I got this from the dollar store or Dollarama. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna make some fancy, glamorous, never seen before. Okay, guys, candle holder or centerpiece. Now, I'm gonna put this aside because I went ahead and I paint them. And I'm gonna show you the paint I use. I got this one from Walmart, and I also got this one from a Dollar Tree. I paid $3.99 for this one, and I think about 10 something or $11 at Walmart for this one. And this is how it looking. Beautiful, glamorous, and nice. All right, so that being said, now I have this one. You can use this. It's from the Dollar Tree, but I have a bigger one. I have the set I'm gonna use today. I got them from the thrift store, and I think I pay about $4.99 or $5.99 for the pair. I'm not sure. I have them a while back, but you can use this one from the Dollar Tree. It's the same, but this one it's bigger. All right, put that aside. And you're gonna need 2 napkin ring holders. You can get them at the dollar store, or if you have some old one, you can use them. And I'm gonna use 2 mirrors. I'm gonna use 2 pieces of foam. They're from the Dollar Tree. And look at this, guys. I didn't paint this, but look at it. It's similar to this. I got this from my thrift store. And look at it, guys. It's only $1. And I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna use these rhinestone mesh here, 2 different type. All right, guys. And then I have my E6000. I'm gonna use my glue gun, and you need a pair of scissors, and that's it. I made some of these before. They're so easy. So this is my foam, and you need a mirror. All you have to do, set it on top, use your hot glue gun and glue it together, and make sure you take off these parts. All right, now I'm gonna bling out the side with this rhinestone mesh. I finished both of them, and now I'm gonna glue everything together. Now I'm gonna start off by gluing this one right on top of this. Once you glue it together, it's dry somewhat, you can work with it. And guys, this is one idea how you can make your candle holder. You can leave it just as is. Can you see how beautiful it is, guys? So this is one way. Look at that. But you know me, I'm going further, and I'm gonna use these glass piece with my napkin ring holders, and I'm gonna top it up. All right, I'm gonna use these small pieces to create like up and down right here. Just like that. I'm gonna finish it and then I'm gonna come right back. I also add a little bit of bling mesh to this part here, and this is it so far. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add like 2 rows onto the bottom around like this, just like that. I'm gonna do it right around. And also I have these beautiful gems from the Dollar Tree, and I'm only gonna add a few onto the bottom of this. And my peeps, this is it. It's all done. Look how beautiful and glamorous it is, guys. Look at that. Yes. I'm gonna clean it up a bit, and I have these tray. I'm gonna set it on it as well, just like that. Guys, what would be amazing if you have some lights. I'm gonna see if I find some, and you will set it in the bottom, and it would be like wow, wow. All right, now my peeps, I went ahead and I make the small one. So I made this one. You remember I showed you at the beginning? I just made it the same way, and what I did, I just add some rhinestone to it and just bling it out a little bit. It's like a tree or a tree leaf or a limb. And guys, I did the bottom just the same way, and I set it on this tray as well. All right, my peeps, I'm gonna clean them up somewhat, very delicate. Take your time when you're cleaning them. I'm gonna put them on display and get some light in these bad boy, and and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you. And my peeps, this is the final result. My beautiful candle holders or centerpiece. Yes, guys. Also, you could put some roses in this one, and you get a beautiful centerpiece, or you can just leave them as is, as the decor. I add some lights in it, so it gives that cool finish, cool glam finish. I also add some mirrors onto the bottom of this because the foam was showing and the foam wasn't holding firm to my napkin ring holder there. So I went and I add a mirror to the bottom of this so it can have a reflection right there. The bottom one was okay. And guys, this is the final result. Also, if you have some gems or some lights, you can put it in the bottom as well. And look at that, guys, so beautiful. And I add some bling to the front of this one. You can light a candle and put in it, but I add these glam lights. And guys, this is the final result. Look at the details on it, guys. Never seen before, guys, never seen before. And I love the silver. It's like silver, but then it have some a little bit of glam to it. Look at that, guys. Yes, yes. And I made the bottom as simple as possible. I just add some details to the bottom there, and I want to leave it as is. And my peeps, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And there you have it, guys.